Here we have a very striking brand new Excelsior 1320 piano accordion with low, middle, middle, middle. That's a triple musette. Full 41 keys on the right hand side. So you have the bassoon, a nice clarinet, bundonian, the accordion switch with the two middles and a low, violin switch, the master switch, which is also accessible with the side palm switch, and then a full triple musette, the wide two middles. Then you have repeats of the bassoon, clarinet, and bundonian, so that when you're playing in the upper octave, you're able to access them very easily. Over here on the left-hand side, you have a full 120 basses with 5 registers. And additionally, this instrument comes complete with already installed condenser microphones. So you have a striking, beautiful instrument, very well made, obviously, because it is an Excelsior. And it only weighs 24 pounds. So let's give this baby a test run here. So you can see that it has a beautiful sound. And now let's get something that's going to go a little louder here.